20 Change negative behaviors. Affirmations. The possibilities are endless and I will embrace them. I will make good decisions that are supportive to myself. I am a positive person capable of good decisions. I choose positivity. I choose good behaviors. I am brave enough to do the right thing for me. I am bold enough to do the right thing for me. I can do this. I will do this. I am intelligent, I am talented, and I am capable. I am confident, I am proud, and I model positive behaviors. I deserve happiness, so I will choose healthy behaviors that support my well-being. I love myself and I will make good choices. I love my body and I will treat it with respect. I love my mind and I will treat it with respect. I will let go of worry and embrace positivity. Today is going to be a good day. I will be supportive of myself. I am grateful for everything in my life. I will care for and love myself. I let go of self-sabotaging behaviors. I am regret and worry-free. I am teeming with potential. I will reach out and grab it.